Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make a canvas painting, which is an abstract painting. So firstly, divide your canvas into 5 parts using the masking tape. Here my canvas size is 10 by 12 inch. I am using pink and violet shade. Here we have to simply merge the colors in every part. If you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Now take lemon yellow and burnt sienna color for the third column. Here in first, third and fifth column, we will do the dark shades from the top, and in the second and fourth column, we will do the dark color from the bottom. It's an alternative tone. You can change it by your canvas size also. Now I'm using orange and magenta shade. I'm using a 4 number flat brush. And also visit my website linked in the description box. And now similarly we have to merge all the colors. Now, once the colorings are done, take a small piece of paper and apply thick coat of color on it. Now flip it over and put it on the canvas. Now gently press it using the brush's backside or your fingernails. If you don't want to texture it using the paper, then you can also use the dry brush technique here. In this technique, you have to take a brush which is fully dried and take thick color in it and apply some strokes as shown. Here for stroking, we will use the light shades on the dark ones and the dark shade on the light ones. Now fold the paper and on the thin side apply the white color and put some lines as shown in the video. Similarly, we have to do the strokes in all the columns with dark and light shades in random directions. Now just mix white color and water in 1:1 ratio and sprinkle it from the top of the canvas. You have to make sure that the white dots are coming all over the canvas, and similarly we have to also put black dots. Now the final step, pull off the masking tapes and write your name on it. Now it's ready. Isn't it looking so beautiful? So thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe.